All right, you've already read through this. It says about how many times greater right there, so I know I have a division problem. Yes, it says the word area, but it's not talking about just finding the area of something using its length and width. It's comparing two areas, and it's asking you how many times greater. So, which one's bigger? That's the one that goes on top of these problems. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. 2.85 times 10 to the fifth and 28,412. So then we're going to divide these. But first, we want to get them in the same format, and it says about, so we're going to round. So this is about, I'd say that's about 3 times 10 to the fifth. And this is, let's see, oh, I should have kind of written it and then rounded, but I'll do it over here. 2.8, well, let's just say it's about 30,000. How about we just say it's about 30,000? All right, about 30,000, so that would be 3 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. So we divide the integers, the integer factors, then we divide the powers, and that gives us, we subtract, so we get 10 to the first. 10 to the first. So 1 times a 10 is 10. So it's about 10 times greater. So the area of the one is about 10 times greater than the other. All right, number 9. The Earth has a mass of about that. Neptune has a mass of about that. How many times as much mass? All right. And Neptune is bigger because it's got 26 powers of 10, whereas this only has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Only 24 powers of 10. So let's do this. Let's divide. So the big one goes on top, 1.02 times 10 to the 26th. And Earth is 6 times 10 to the, how many did we say? 24, I think. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 3 is 24. Yes. All right. So now it does say about how many times? Oops. That's not what I'm saying. Yeah. Oh, wait. How many times? Oh, it says exactly how many times? Ugh. Okay, well, then I'll use a calculator to do the division here, but we're dividing. So we're going to divide these numbers, and I'll type it into my handy-dandy calculator. 1.02 divided by 6. Let's see what that comes to. Oh, it's fairly nice. So that comes to 0.17. And then I do this part, and I subtract, and I get 10 to the second, 26 minus 24. But if my answer is going to be in scientific notation, then it doesn't actually say to put in scientific notation. So maybe I'll just do this. I'll just write it in standard form. If I multiply it by 10 twice, that would bump the decimal once twice. So it's about 17 times greater. 17 times the amount of mass. So yeah, Neptune is about 17 times greater mass than Earth. There we have it. All right, let's pause this guy.